Good morning students. Today we will start chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry. Beta, you have been studying about the coordinate geometry from 8th class. In 9th class you have studied about the coordinate geometry, in which you have studied about the location of point. If one point is given, then how to locate that point in Cartesian plane. But in 10th class beta, we will study about the distance formula, section formula and area of triangle. Area of triangle means how to find the area of triangle with the help of coordinates of a vertices of a triangle. You know very well beta, this is a Cartesian plane. In this Cartesian plane, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and both axes are intersect to each other at 90-degree angle, and this point of intersection is known as origin, and coordinate of origin are 0, 0. Yes beta, these x-axis and y-axis divided this plane in 4 parts, and these parts known as quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Yes beta, in first quadrant both the coordinate means x coordinate and y coordinates both are positive. Now how to remember कि in which quadrant which coordinate is positive and which coordinate is negative? So you remember one thing कि in first quadrant you have seen beta, in first quadrant x-axis is positive and y-axis is also positive. That's why in first quadrant both coordinates are positive. Now in second quadrant x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. It means x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Now in third quadrant beta, x-axis is negative and y-axis is also negative. It means both coordinates are negative. And in fourth quadrant x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. So x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. This is the Cartesian plane. Yes beta, in 9th class already you have been studied about the location of points. Suppose we have a point P lies in a first quadrant, then how to find the coordinate of this point already you know beta. The coordinate of these points are 2 and 3, where 2 is x coordinate and 3 is a y coordinate. So you know beta definition of x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate, it is the perpendicular distance from the y axis, and x coordinate is also known as abscissa, and y coordinate, it is the perpendicular distance from the x axis, and the other name of y coordinate is ordinate. So in this way you can locate a point in a Cartesian plane. Yes beta, now I'll explain distance formula. With the help of distance formula, how to find the distance between 2 points. And beta, exercise 7.1 is related to distance formula. Suppose we have 2 points A and B. The coordinate of A x1 and y1, and coordinate of B are x2 and y2. So how to find the distance between A and B? The coordinate distance between A and B, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Means first you will take x coordinate and in second bracket you will take y coordinate. This formula can be written in this form also. You can write in this way also, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Both formulas are correct. You can take like this and you can take like this. For example, x1 and y1 means, suppose we have coordinate of A 2 and 3 and coordinate of B suppose 5 and 7. So how to find the distance between these 2 points? So you know beta, here x1 is 2 and x2 is 5. So first you will subtract both of them. 2 minus 5 whole square plus in second bracket you will subtract y coordinate. So y coordinates are 3 minus 7 whole square. It is 2 minus 5, you know very well beta, it is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. It becomes 9 plus 16, it is 25. This is your answer beta. And you can solve this question in this way. You can write 5 minus 2, it is 3, and this is 7 minus 3, 4. Again you will get the same answer, that is 25. And you know beta, root 25 is 5 units. You will write here units, because coordinates are in not written in meters, centimeter, so always you will write in units, because it is a distance, and distance has always some unit. It may be in meter, it may be in centimeter, it may be in kilometer. So instead of writing these terms, we will write in this coordinate geometry only unit.